Yes, this is the question we have. Cos 60 is nothing but half. We will take that out. Left hand side we are starting. Whatever value known to us, we have placed that. Then left is cos 20, cos 40, cos 80. Then we should write half. This will be 2 cos 20 cos 40 and then cos 80 is here. Then 2 cos A cos B formula is already there. That will come out to be cos of 20 plus 40 plus cos of 20 minus 40. And then left is cos of 80. Now when you solve it further, this will come out to be half cos of 80. 40 plus 20, 60, sorry. This will be cos of minus 20, but that will become cos 20. We have done already cos of minus theta is cos theta, so it will come out to be cos 20. And then come out to be cos 80. Now we'll multiply cos 80 inside. This come out to be cos 60 cos 80 plus cos 20 cos of 80. Right? Now cos 60 will be simply come out to be half. Yes, in this case, one more thing, this should be half, one more, half, one more. Because one value of cos 60 was half, so that one half is missing. So now it will come out to be 1 by 4. Cos 60 is half cos 80 plus cos 20 cos 80. Again multiplied by 2 divided by 2. Then when you do it, it will come out to be 1 by 2, again common, so 1 by 8 gone out. Left is what? Cos 80 plus half is gone out, so left is 2 cos A cos B. Formula is cos A plus B, so 20 plus 80. Then plus cos of 20 minus 80. Now when you solve it, it will come out to be 1 by 8 cos of 80 plus cos of 100, and this is cos of minus 60. Cos of minus theta is clearly cos theta. So, and one more thing, this is 80 plus 100 come out to be 180. So they are supplementary angles. So what we do here in this case, this is 1 by 8. Cos 80 is the smaller angle, keep as it is. And 100 I'll write cos 19 to 2 minus 80. And then this come out to be cos 60. Now when you solve it further, it will come out to be 1 by 8. This is cos of 80. 19 to 2 minus 80 is minus cos 80. And then cos 60 comes out to be half. Half into 1 by 8 come out to be 1 by 60 is the answer. So this is the question we have. Cos 20, cos 40, cos 60, cos 80. Your answer come out to be 1 by 60. One more question I am taking here. Sin 10, sin 30, sin 50, sin 10, sin 30, sin 50, sin 70. We have to prove is 1 by 16. Now when you have to do this question, again whatever the value known to us, we will put that. Sine 50 not known, sine 70 not known, sine 10 is not known, sine 30 is known, so that value is half. We have taken that. Left is sine 10, sine 50, sine 70. Then it come out to be half. Again, I told you 2 multiply and 2 divide. So sine 10, sine 50, and then sine 70. And this is coming out to be half again. Then this come out to be 1 by 4. 2 sine A sine B. What formula says? Cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. So I should write cos A minus B. That means 10 minus 50 minus cos 10 plus 50. And here it come out to be sine 70. Now when you solve it, it will be 1 by 4. Cos of minus 40 comes out to be cos 40. Minus cos 60. And then come out to be sine of 70. Now when you solve it further, 1 by 4, then come out to be cos 40 sine 70 minus cos 60 sine 70. Again I told you multiplied by 2 divided by 2. So half gone out now. Half gone out, 1 by 8 goes out. Left is 2 cos 40 sine 70. And here left is minus 2 cos 60 will be half sine 70. So now when you solve it, it will come out to be 2 cos A sine B. We'll solve it now. 1 by 8. 2 cos A sine B. 2 cos A sine B is cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. So it will come out to be cos 40 plus 70 plus cos 40 minus 70. Sorry, sine it is. 2 cos A sine B, sine A plus B. So it will come out to be sine. This is also sine. And here left is minus sine 70. Now when you solve it further, it will come out to be sine 110 degree. Sine of minus 30 now. And then minus sine 70. Sine of minus 30 is what? Minus sine 30. Sine 40 plus 70, sine A plus B plus sine A minus B minus sine 70 is here. Now when you solve it, it will come out to be 1 by 8. Sine 110 and sine 70. 110 plus 70 comes out to be 180. So this 110 I can write as 90 into 2 minus of 70 minus sine 30 minus sine 70. Yes, one mistake we have done in this question. It should be 70 minus 40. So it will come out to be plus. Here it come out to be plus. Remaining are okay. Now it will be sine 19 to 2. 1 by 8. Sine 19 to 2 minus 70. Second quadrant sine will be plus. So it will come out to be sine of 70 plus of half minus sine 70. These two get cancelled out. It will be 1 by 60. Okay. This way you will be having next question. Now coming on next part, one more question I'll do this way. Just check. Yes, this is the third question we have. Again, what is the value known to us is sine 60. So we start with the left hand side. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Left is sine 20. Sine of 40. Sine of 80. Again we will multiply it by 2 and divide it by 2. So come out to be 2 sine 20 sine 40, and here it come out to be sine 80. 2 sine A sine B. What the formula comes? This is root 3 by 4. 2 sine A sine B formula says cos A minus B. So cos 20 minus 40 minus cos A plus B. So 20 plus 40. 2 sine A sine B. A will be 20, B will be 40. So cos of A minus B minus cos A plus B. And then come out to be sine of 80. What the result comes? Just check here. Root 3 by 4. Cos of minus 20 is nothing but cos 20. Then comes out to be minus cos 60. Then comes out to be sine 80. Now when you solve it, it will be coming root 3 by 4. It comes out to be cos 20 sine 80 minus cos 60 sine of 80. Okay? And again we will go multiplication by 2 divided by 2. So half again gone out. So it will come out to be root 3 by 8 gone out. Left is 2 cos of 20 sine 80 minus 2 cos 60 is simply half, and then sine of 80. Now when you solve it further, it will come out to be root 3 by 8. 2 cos A sine B. 2 cos A sine B. Sine A plus B minus sine A minus B. So sine A plus B. So 20 plus 80 minus sine of A minus B. So 20 minus 80. And here minus sine of 80. Then comes out to be it is sine 100. This will be sine of minus 60. Sine of minus theta is minus sine theta. So it will be coming plus sine 80. This was the mistake we were doing in the last question. One question we have corrected minus. So that was, this is minus, and because of this minus came, it became plus. So sine of 80. And then minus sine of, sorry, this is 60. And then come out to be sine 80. Sine 80 and 100. They are supplementary angles. So I should write it root 3 by 4. This will be sine 90 into 2 minus 80. Sine 60 is again root 3 by 2 minus sine 80 is here. This is root 3 by 8 is here. Now when you solve it further, root 3 by 8 is there. Sine of 90 into 2 minus theta is sine theta only. So sine of 80 plus root 3 by 2 minus sine of 80. This is gone. Answer come out to be 3 by 16. So this way you can have this question also. Yes, this is the next question. 4 cos 12, cos 48, cos 72. We should prove this as cos 36. So again we'll start with this side. 4 cos 12, cos 48, cos 72. In this case, no value known to us. So what we do in this case, 2 I'll take out. Left is 2 cos 12, cos 48. And here it is cos 72. 2 cos A cos B formula says cos A plus B. Cos A plus B means 12 plus 48. Then plus cos 12 minus 48. and then cos 70. Then I write this as 2. Cos 12 plus 48 comes out to be how much? Cos 50, and this is 60 only. And here it come out to be cos of minus theta is cos theta, so it will be cos 36. And here it is cos 72. Then I'll write 2 already out. Cos 60 cos 72 plus cos 36 cos 72. Now when we solve it further, 2 multiply and by 2 by 2. Now when you solve it, half gone out. So 2 by 2, 2 cos 60 cos 72. And here it come out to be plus 2 cos 36 cos 72. Now this will be 1 only, left is 2 cos 60 is half cos 72 plus 2 cos A cos B, formula says cos A plus B, so 36 plus 72 plus cos of 36 minus 72. Now when you solve it, it will come out to be cos 72 is the first term. This will be plus of cos, how much? 70, 30, 100, 108. And this will come out to be cos of minus 36, that is cos 36. These two are now supplementary angles. So I write this as cos 72 plus cos of 19 to 2 minus how much? 72 plus cos 36. Then you can write this as cos 72. 19 to 2 minus 72 is minus cos 72 plus cos 36. These two get cancelled out. Your result is coming cos 36. So you can try these questions now. 4-5 questions I have done. You can complete this exercise. 1 or 2 questions next time I'll take, and then we'll go for next formulas.